playGame42, step 5, display moves. So now instead of hard coding cell values, we're going to do it non-hard coded in response to user events. So let's go ahead and run this to show what it looks like. First off, notice how we don't have any hard coded values. We still can move our selection around. And as you might notice, we're still not paying any attention to the fact that this should be blue and orange or turns or players. We're not doing that yet. But what I want to do is respond to if the user hits, say, a 3, which I'll do here, put that 3 in that cell. And if I hit other keys that aren't digits, ignore them. And in fact, if I hit a digit here, ignore it because there's already a digit in that cell. But if I move to a cell that doesn't have a digit, I'll put a digit in that cell. So all I'm doing is saying when you hit a digit, if the current cell is empty, put that digit in that cell. So how are we going to do this? So, well, first off, you'll detect that a digit was hit in key pressed. Test if the key sim is a digit. Okay? If it is, now what you want to do is check the currently selected row and column. Well, that's stored in data. After all, how are you drawing that yellow square? So you know which one's currently selected. Then you can use your those cell values that we stored to check if the cell value for the currently selected cell is -1. That means it's empty. And if it is, just go ahead and put the value in it that was just pressed. Otherwise, don't. Pretty much that's it. So when you're done, you should be able to do something like, let's rerun this and go here and go like, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. But notice anything that's not a digit doesn't happen. And if I do additional digits and covered, nothing happens. If I fill the board, there'll be no game over. There's no notion of a game really yet. We're breaking this down into smaller problems. And as yet, there's no turn taking, there's no score, there's no game. All right, good luck with that.